7 expert tips on using virtual staging to sell your home quickly from Purgula.com. If you're thinking of selling your home, you'll need to start planning on how to best present your property to prospective buyers. Though most homeowners are familiar with traditional staging methods used in open houses, many are unaware of how virtual staging can either improve your staging efforts or even replace them entirely. This video provides 7 expert tips on how you can best use virtual staging to sell your home quickly and conveniently. Before sharing our tips, here's a quick definition of virtual staging for viewers unfamiliar with this highly effective tool used for selling homes. Virtual staging is the process of inserting realistic-looking furniture and decor items such as rugs, artwork, and light fixtures within digitally altered photos of a home listed for sale. The process of virtual staging typically involves a professional photographer who captures digital images of a lived-in or empty home, then virtually changes the home's decor and furniture to showcase the property in an ideal, up-to-date fashion. When using virtual staging, it's important to label any altered images as virtually staged to be transparent and to abide by truth in advertising laws. Virtual staging offers many benefits, all of which relate to added convenience, cost savings, time savings, and flexibility. Virtual staging offers more convenience and flexibility than traditional physical staging. It can update the look of your home without needing renovations, can transform outdated decor into on-trend decor quickly and easily, and it can feature a single room having multiple uses such as a home office, home gym, theater, guest bedroom, and more. It can handle corrections and changes quickly and easily. This increasingly popular design technology can make any home appear more cohesive, lived in, and attractive to buyers without spending a lot of time or money on traditional physical staging. Keep listening to learn how innovative real estate agents are maximizing the effectiveness of virtual staging to help their clients sell their homes more quickly, conveniently, and cost-effectively. Now let's get to the tips. Tip number 1. Use high-quality photos. One of the most important tips we can offer when using virtual staging is to take high-quality photos. This means using pictures that are clear, well-lit, and engaging. The quality of the photos you use will determine how realistic and lifelike your virtually staged photos will appear. Most importantly, high-quality photos will more likely capture the attention of potential buyers and will entice them to learn more about your home. Tip number 2. Use furniture and decor that fit your space. When virtually staging a home, be sure that the furniture and decor fit the space of each room properly. You'd be surprised how many people either try to squeeze too much furniture into a room or choose pieces that are noticeably too large or too small for a given space. The risk of presenting a cluttered room is that it'll appear to be smaller than it actually is. Instead, take the time to measure the room and choose pieces that are the right size and scale. This will create a much more inviting and visually appealing scene. Tip number 3. Focus on key rooms and use multiple designs. Even though you can do a lot with virtual staging, you'll still need to prioritize on the most important rooms of your home, such as the living room, kitchen, and main bedroom. You should also emphasize rooms such as small bedrooms that can be used for different purposes. Not only will you give potential buyers a better sense of how a space can be utilized, you can create multiple concepts that will appeal to a broader audience of prospective buyers. This tactic can also make a small room appear more spacious, functional, and versatile. Tip number 4. Don't forget about exterior photos. Though the primary focus of virtual staging is for interior spaces, a related digital imagery service is the process of touching up exterior photos of a listed home. The most popular service for exterior photos is referred to as virtual twilight photography. This is the practice of altering the sky to emulate dusk lighting to showcase the exterior of your home in literally the best light possible. Seasoned real estate professionals have known for years the importance of making a strong first impression with an attractive exterior photo of your home. This can foster an immediate emotional bond between prospective buyers and your home. Tip number 5. Hire a professional virtual stager. While virtual staging may seem simple, it can be quite complex. That's why we recommend hiring a professional virtual stager who knows which furniture and accessories will work best in each room, and how best to use photos to showcase your property. A seasoned professional will also protect you, the seller, by following industry guidelines to label virtual images appropriately, so that there's no confusion over which photos are actual and which ones have been digitally altered. Tip number 6. Review your images thoroughly. Once your first round of virtually staged images is complete, be sure to review the results carefully before accepting any final versions. You want to catch any errors that might turn buyers away. This includes checking that all furniture is positioned realistically and that there are no obvious mistakes such as having duplicate items, floating objects, clipped items, or inconsistent lighting. By taking the time to review your images thoroughly, you can ensure that they'll make a positive impression on potential buyers or tenants. Tip number 7. Make the most of your virtual staging. Though you may be hesitant to put your home on the market without first making some major changes or renovations, don't underestimate the power of virtual staging. Virtual staging is a great way to save time and money while still making your home look its best when listing it for sale. It can also give potential buyers an inspiring sense of what your property has to offer. When done correctly, virtual staging can be a highly effective tool to help you get top dollar for your home faster than you thought possible. To learn more about virtual staging and other topics of innovation for homeowners, visit Purgula.com. Thanks for watching.